Hi kids, my name is Nicole and this is Let's Make Art and you're here to draw with us and we're doing a unicorn. Say, what kind of noise does a unicorn make?
What kind of noise do you want a unicorn to make?
Does it hay like a horse?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice. So I have a very special guest with me today. This is
Hannah.
And how old are you?
7.
And what is coming up?
My birthday.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
snap.
all wish her happy birthday. And what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Yes.
Ooh, good
You
choice.
can make a pink unicorn with me today. Okay, so we're gonna do a top camera so you can see our supplies. So we're using black paper. So it's gonna be a little bit different. Now, if you don't have black paper, go ahead and grab watercolor or regular paper because you can see you can still draw with our supplies that we're using today, which are these really fun neon oil pastels.
They're so bright.
They're so bright. They're like crayons, but they're a lot smoother and fun to draw.
They're very smooth. It's weird.
Yeah, you played with them.
I did.
And then we have some jelly rolls. Have you ever used these before? Yeah, so these are fun. So we're gonna use this to draw and write some other things. And then, and then a pencil. So we're gonna be drawing because you have a blank paper. So if you have a pencil, I would go and grab that. Now, should we introduce who else is here?
Oh.
We have some friends here gathering. Wanna come say hi, Amos? So we have her brother. He's helping Keenan with the cameras. Can you see? This is Amos. And how old are you?
8.
8. Nice. Do you want to come say hi?
Sure.
And then, who's this?
No.
Mom. Oh yeah, we might have to bend
Lower.
down.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Now you can see my face.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have the whole family joining us. So we're excited to have them all here. Okay, now let's start with our motto. So let's sit up straight, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
And I am creative.
And I am creative.
Let's do this. And then real fist bump. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. So first step is grab your pencil. Now, we're going to be drawing our unicorn. I'm going to break it down into really simple steps so you can do it with me. Now, here's the thing, is how big you make your nose, we're gonna start with this, is how big your unicorn's gonna be. So I would draw it in the top part, so maybe somewhere around here will help. So I'm gonna draw it on the left side. So you're gonna draw, basically it's like an L, but kind of a curved one. So start somewhere at the top, and you're gonna draw a big, curved L. Yes. Okay, then we're gonna draw the neck part. So from the L, the bottom of the L, is you're gonna come down and then draw the neck. So you can curve it if you want. Maybe you think of the neck, maybe it has a little bit of a belly, if you want to curve out, or it can be straight. So you're gonna do it all the way to the end, yes. Okay, the next step is you see how we have the hair here? We're gonna leave a little bit of room right here, so leave a little bit of room to draw the ear. So the ear is like an upside down U or a curve. Or I wonder if some of the ears are pointed.
They might be. I know there are elves with pointed ears, so maybe unicorns that are also magical.
So if you want to draw pointed when you draw a triangle, and then inside, just like how our ears, we have a little space in between. The hole is I want you to draw another smaller one. Boom. Okay, then our unicorn has a horn, a magical horn.
Oh, snap.
So you're gonna draw a triangle. Now you can either draw it really pointed, like if you want to be like this, or if you want it to be more angled. So you can decide, but you're gonna draw a pointed triangle on top of your unicorn. So I'm gonna have mine pointed a little bit forward. So I'm gonna draw a triangle, yeah. So you can make them any size. Nice. Okay, so we use the pencil. Now the next step is, since your favorite color is pink, do you want to use the pink jelly roll? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want you to outline what you just drew with a pencil. So we're going to use our jelly roll. And when you use these, they're just like markers. So we're just going to draw and trace. Oh, and when you get to your horn, if you want to, you can add the fun lines. So you can draw them as squiggly lines or straight lines. But we're just gonna trace our unicorn. Sweet. So now we are going to use our fun oil pastels. So for this, we're gonna start with the hair. So you can pick any color that you would like. So pick a color. And for this part, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the hair. So do you see how we left some space right here? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start over here and kind of go up and then curve. So then it fills that space. Now, if yours doesn't have a curve, maybe it's just a straight line, but you're gonna fill in this space. So it's kind of like an S or just a curve, go up and then down and then around. Yes. So if you want to make more, because just like you and me, we have lots of hair, so there's going to be more hair. So we're going to do lots of those lines and kind of fill it out. Ooh.
Little known fact, unicorns really are worried about their dews.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah, they comb it pretty much every day.
Do they condition it?
No, they don't have to, because they're magical.
They don't need that.
They don't need
They don't need what humans need. Awesome. Now we're gonna do the mane of the unicorn. So if you want to switch colors or if you want to do the same color, yeah. And so for this one, you can either draw straight lines or I'm gonna kind of do a similar shape. So right here, I'm gonna do a curve, ooh, and then curve like that. So you can do something like that, and we're gonna repeat and do the same thing. Yes. So then all of this space.
I got excited.
It's okay. All of this space is what we're gonna fill in. So you can do different colors. You can do all one color. I love that. Okay, what were you gonna say about the unicorn?
I was gonna say this unicorn's name should be named Pete.
Pete?
You have to repeat the hair so many times. So Pete.
Okay.
It just came naturally.
Yeah, so we like to name our animals or our characters. So if you want to think of yours. Yes. Ooh, it's coming to life. All these colors are so bright. Are Pete and Hannah's unicorn's friends? Yeah.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Well, I wasn't sure if they were friends or if they were family.
Very few rivalries in the unicorn community.
Everyone's friends.
Although, another fun fact, unicorns and goats do not get along.
They have rivalry.
Yeah. They got beef, but neither of them, you know what I'm saying? You get it.
So good. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our jelly roll and we're gonna do some details. So we're gonna draw the eye. Now with the eye, you can decide, you can either have it be that way and have little eyelashes. If you like to draw circles for the eyes, you get to decide how you want to do yours. So when you're doing it, is the eye just like if I turn to the side, can you see how my eye's over here and my nose is here?
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is our eye isn't gonna be super, super close because that's really close to our nose. So we're gonna do it kind of in this area and you're gonna draw, if you wanna do one like this, so you're gonna do a curve. So your curve can either go down or up. And then boys and girls have eyelashes. So even if Pete's a boy, I'm gonna give him some eyelashes.
That's true. I actually have some pretty long eyelashes. Amos, what do you think? Yeah.
I love that. So Hannah's is open, beautiful, and you have eyelashes too. Oh, one more thing is that if you want to have a speech bubble, so speech bubble is so that when we read it, like when you read comic books, that we're gonna draw this big thing and then you can write anything that you want. So if you have room at the top of yours, what you're gonna do is do you wanna add a speech bubble or do you wanna leave it?
I want to add it.
You wanna add it? Okay.
Nice.
So to do it is you're gonna first draw a triangle that's pointed down.
Or the letter V.
Oh, yes, true. And then you're gonna draw a big curve. So you can either draw it really small right here, or if you can take up this whole space.
It actually kind of looks like a brain.
It totally does. That's what our brain is saying.
Yes, it is.
So this marker is great. It'll be easier for you to use the jelly roll instead of this. And you can write what it's saying. So you can say, hi, my name is, or you can say, nice to meet you, or you can write, let's be friends. I'm gonna write, let's be friends. So we're just gonna write, oh, we get to see what Hannah's is, the name.
Or because of the goat unicorn rivalry, you could say something about goats eat cans, we don't. You know, like, give some good points as to why unicorns can be better sometimes.
Sounds good.
Yeah, do that.
Well, I added let's be friends. I was talking, and so I wrote let's friends.
Let's friends.
So I wrote let's be friends.
I like let's friends.
Candy corn. That's my favorite candy right now.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite candy?
It is.
Or one of them?
One of them.
One of them. Okay, that's fair.
Nicole's been eating a ton of candy corn.
I'm gonna say let's be friends
Yes.
candy corn. So my unicorn is talking to hers.
I've been told Amos loves candy corn as well.
Oh,
Through a
yep.
pretty reliable source.
I love it. Okay, so now we get to decorate and have more fun. So you can do a few things. We can decorate your horn if you want to make them different colors. You can add some hearts and some stars around it, and you get to decide. So I want to show you some examples. So these are from Eleanor and Gita, and they did some where they used the jelly roll to draw. Oh, looks like she drew a castle.
Fun.
And a bus. So you can make this however you like. But Hannah and I are just gonna hang out and we're gonna color, and then we'll meet you at the end. So we're back. We finished adding to our drawing so we can show you. Can we hold up and show them what we made? So we added a lot of decorations. We were inspired actually to make let's hold it up a little bit more. Good idea. We added a castle. This is so cool.
So cool.
We want to see what you make. So we have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids where you can share your photo. We have an Instagram called Let's Make Art Kids. And we want to see what you make. So Hannah, thank you so much for doing this with me.
You're welcome.
That was awesome. I'm so glad you joined me. And Amos, thank you for helping Keenan.
Running the cameras.
Yep. So much fun. And thank you for drawing with us. I'm so used to saying painting, for drawing with us, because this was awesome. So always remember that you're brave, kind, and so creative. And thanks for being here. Bye.